Hello everyone, my name is David Richard from Weekly Tools. Welcome back to another episode of Car Fix, where I show you how to fix your car problems with simple and easy steps. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a car battery the right way. A car battery is one of the most important components of your vehicle, as it provides the electrical power to start the engine and run the accessories. However, car batteries don't last forever, and they can fail for various reasons, such as age, corrosion, extreme temperatures, or parasitic drain. If you notice your headlights dimming, if your car needs a jump start due to a dead battery, or if your battery is more than 3 years old, it's time to replace it. Before you start, make sure you park your car on a level surface, away from traffic, sparks, open flames, or water. Engage your parking brake and turn off your vehicle. Remove the keys from the ignition to ensure no power is going to the battery. Before we get started, you'll need to gather a few tools and materials. New car battery, socket wrench set, wire brush, battery cleaning solution, anti-corrosion spray, safety glasses and gloves. Step 1. Locating the battery. The first step is to locate your car battery. The battery is typically located under the hood, near the front of the car. It will be in a black plastic box with 2 terminals, one positive red and one negative black. Step 2. Disconnecting the old battery. Start by disconnecting the negative terminal. Use a socket wrench to loosen the nut on the terminal and then pull the cable off. Next, disconnect the positive terminal in the same way. Step 3. Removing the old battery. Once the cables are disconnected, you can remove the battery hold-down bracket. This is usually just a few bolts that can be removed with a socket wrench. Once the bracket is removed, you can lift the battery out of the car. Step 4. Cleaning the battery tray. Before you install the new battery, it's a good idea to clean the battery tray. This will help to prevent corrosion and extend the life of your new battery. Use a wire brush and battery cleaning solution to clean the tray thoroughly. Step 5. Installing the new battery. Now it's time to install the new battery. Place the battery in the tray, making sure the positive terminal is facing the red cable and the negative terminal is facing the black cable. Secure the battery in place with the battery hold-down bracket. Step 6. Connecting the new battery. Connect the positive terminal to the red cable first and then tighten the nut with a socket wrench. Next, connect the negative terminal to the black cable in the same way. Step 7. Testing the new battery. Once the battery is connected, you can start your car. The car should start without any problems. If you have any problems, check your connections to make sure they are secure. That's it. You've just replaced your car battery. This is a simple process that anyone can do with a little bit of know-how. By following these steps, you can save yourself a lot of money and keep your car running smoothly. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more car fix videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.